This is Theories of Delinquency and Models. My name is Haley Polk. This is for CJ 145. My theory is the subculture theory of delinquency, and it explains delinquent behavior as a result of lower class males forming subculture to gain status. It was founded by Albert Cohen, a sociologist and an American criminologist. He developed the theory in 1955. And the model I got was the non-interventionalist model, which is the absence of any direct intervention with certain juveniles who have been taken into custody. So this model was used strategically to juveniles who an intake officer believed would be unlikely to reoffend. It's credited to the foundation of Lemmer in 1967 and Schur in 1973. So for the subculture theory of delinquency, the 5 key points would be social learning slash peer influence, which basically is delinquent behavior is reinforced during interaction with peers due to subcultures and environments. The second one would be status frustrations, which is lower class youth experiencing frustration when they fail to achieve status through normal means. The third would be reaction formation, where delinquents reject middle class values and embrace behaviors that they oppose. Four would be delinquent subcultures, which is youth who experience the frustration of status frustration, often find values in negative behaviors like defiance and toughness. And then the last one is opportunity structures, where access to illegitimate opportunities such as gangs and drug networks are easily accessible for delinquents. And then 5 key points of the non-interventionalist model. The first one would be minimal state intervention. So the system should only intervene when necessary. The second one is youth development focus. So rather than punishment, they use other focuses to prevent delinquency from escalating. The third is diversion programs. So youth should be diverted to community-based programs, counseling, or restorative justice. The fourth is decriminalization. So this is reducing the number of behaviors classified as crimes. And then the last one is labeling or stigmatization, which is not labeling juveniles as delinquents, which prevents the reinforcement of the identity as a delinquent. And then subculture theory of delinquency statistics. I found an article called Testing a Subculture Theory of Crime and Delinquency in a Gang Context. So it basically says further studies have examined delinquency as a role in subculture causing criminal behavior. Linked on the slide is the information about the study, but basically they analyzed gang behaviors and found that they were significantly more likely to commit serious offenses compared to non-gang members. And then related to subculture theory of delinquency, an actual case example would be the Central Park Five from 1989. It connects to this theory because of the youth gangs and peer pressure in a disadvantaged neighborhood. And then authorities viewed the boys as fitting into criminal subculture, which led to the wrongful arrests and convictions. And then for the non-interventionalist model for statistics, I found a study by S.A. Kurnukovic in 1978, which basically evaluated the non-intervention strategy by analyzing self-reported delinquency among 412 male high school students in the Midwest. The findings revealed that 92% of the participants reported involvement in some form of delinquency. So I have a pie chart here. So for the high school students, 58% of them committed a victimless crime. 27.4% of them reported committing a property offense, and then 14.6 reported committing a personal offense. And then I have the information linked in the slide there. And that is it for my presentation on my theories and model. My name is Haley Polk.